Hello.
When I watch the tennis game, ta-ta-ta. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Our topic for today is letter T. Can you say letter T? This is letter T. Letter T says T, 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 T. Can you see the circles? We will click on them to find out the friends of letter T. Can you see the orange circle? Click the orange circle to find the friend of T. T, T, telephone. T, T, telephone. Click the purple circle to find the friend of T. T, T, 10. T, T, 10. Click the red circle to find the friend of T. T, T, table. T, T, table. Click the blue circle to find the friend of T. T, T, tongue. T, T, tongue. Click the gray circle to find the friend of T. T, T, toad. T, T, toad. Click the yellow circle to find the friend of T. T, T, tea. T, T, tea. Activity time. Color the friends of T sound. I trust you had a nice time. See you in my next video class. Bye-bye.